Hi students, in this video we are going to see about domain specific embedded systems from 4th module. The domain which we have chosen for this topic is automotive industry, and under this we are going to see about automotive embedded systems, automotive communication buses, key players of automated embedded systems. First one, automotive embedded systems. So as I said, automotive industry is one of the major application domain of embedded systems. Here the electronics take control over the mechanical system. Example, we can say wiper control, and in all the automotive industry, many number of embedded controllers are used in normal vehicle, and it varies from 20 to 40, but in luxury vehicles like BMW it varies from 75 to 100. And there are many embedded controllers which are used in vehicles. They are air conditioner. They are used in air conditioner, engine control, fan control, headlamp control, automatic brake system control, wiper control, airbag control, power windows, etc. And these automotive embedded systems are normally built around microcontrollers or digital signal processor or the hybrid of these two, and these are generally known as electronic control units. And the various electronic control units which are used in automotive embedded systems can be broadly classified into two types: high-speed electronic control units and low-speed electronic control units. First one, high-speed electronic control units. These are used in critical control units which requires fast responses. So example we can say it is this high-speed electronic control units are used in airbag control system, anti-lock braking system, and engine control, steering control. All these critical control units is used. Second one is low-speed electronic control units. These are used in the application where the response time is not so critical, and these are built around low cost microprocessor, microcontroller, or digital signal processor. And here the applications are fan control, uh, mm, driver and passenger door control, window glass control, etc. Second one is automotive communication buses. So in automotive industry, we have seen there are so many independent embedded systems. So they communicate with each other through the serial interfaces buses. It reduces the wiring. Okay, so there are two types of serial interfaces: CAN and LIN, controller area network and the local interconnect network. This controller area network, it was proposed by Robert Bosch only. It supports medium speed and high speed data transfer. Medium speed, the limit is up to 125 kbps, and high speed data transfer is up to 1 mbps. This CAN is an event-driven protocol interface, and it supports error checking in the data transmission. This CAN is used in critical applications like ABS, airbag system, cruise control system, emission control system. In all applications, this CAN is used. Second one is local interconnect network. It supports master and slave communication, and it can support up to 16 slaves. Here the data rate is up to 20 kbps, and it is used for sensor and actuator interfaces. And here the applications are mirror control, seat positioning control, and glass window glass control, etc. Next one is media oriented system transport. This MOST is targeted for automotive audio video equipment interfacing. Actually, this media oriented system transport is an optical cable which is connected between optical electrical converter and electrical optical converter. This MOST bus is a multimedia fiber optics point to point network and implemented in a star ring or daisy chain topology over a fiber optical cable. Third one, the third part is key players of the automated embedded system. There are three major providers. They are silicon providers, tools and platform providers, and solution providers. The silicon providers, they are responsible for providing necessary chip which are used in the development of critical systems. And the chip may be microprocessor or microcontroller or digital signal processor or analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter, or ASIC, application specific integrated circuit. It may be anything. The leading silicon providers are Analog Devices, Xilinx, Atmel, Massimo Dallas, NXP Semiconductors, and Texas Instruments. Second one is tools and platform providers. They are the manufacturer and suppliers of various development tools and real-time operating systems. There are three categories: embedded software application platform developer and embedded hardware application platform developer. The leading tools and platform providers are Enanya and the MathWorks, Scale, and Microsoft. Solution provider, they provide complete solution for automotive applications. They make use of this chips and platforms and various hardware and software development tools. The major suppliers are Bosch Automotive, Denso Automotive, and Infosys Technologies. So these are about domain specific embedded systems. Thank you.